This is the wig that literally does it all. It's a 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair, and the texture matches my own hair really well. So I have worked with HerGivenHair in the past, and quite honestly, they do not disappoint each time. So thank you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this package. So excited to try out the wig, but first things first, guys, I absolutely love their box. I love the elegance of it and how it just makes you feel really special how they package their wigs. Looking inside, it's well placed. The wig comes with all the details of what it is. They sent me the half wig at 20 inches in the texture 4B4C. It's a 3-in-1 wig, like I said already. And the cap for this particular wig is apparently one size fits all, which is really nice. They obviously sent me all the, all the goodies, everything you need to know about the wig, how to look after it, longevity, how to style it, etc. So everything you need to know will be in this booklet. And of course, as usual, this silky wig bag for you to store your wig nicely for longevity and just for proper care really of the unit. So yeah, I did also get an extra, what do you call it, extra comb just in case I need it. And to be honest, for the most part, I have never needed to use one. The wig comes in this beautiful texture, as you can see, 4B 4C. It's pretty defined at the moment, so it may look like it's a 4A, but it actually will blow up into a 4C. You'll see later on. It's got the 4 combs on either side, top, bottom as well. It has got a drawstring as well at the back, which you guys will see what's going to happen just now. Girl, there is no need these days to be having 15 wigs. You can just have one and it's going to do quite a bit for you, and this wig is really exciting at the moment because it allows you to pretty much have 3 wigs in one, which just reduces the amount of stuff that you have around the house. If you're like me, I like to keep it minimal. So yeah, I was just showing you the cap there. It's pretty stretchy, so I can see why it's a one size fits all. And girl, the density is crazy. So thick, so full, high quality, and yeah, nothing else to say really. Each time I receive a new wig, I like to wash it first and comb through it just to appreciate the texture, the curl pattern, and also, just to see how much it's gonna shed. This is a good way to see how great of a quality your wig is. And as you can see, this wig is not shedding at all. Like, it combed through quite easily, detangled it quite easily, and obviously the curl pattern is very nice. I didn't condition it because, girl, I'm a mama, but go ahead and condition your wig. And that's pretty much the shed hair that I got in the comb. I left it to dry for about a day, I believe, and I like to hang it in a position that makes sure it dries in a nice shape. You don't want any bends or creases, etc. For your installation, of which, even if that happens, that can be fixed with a little bit of water, but yeah, just in case. So right here, I've got my hair braided backward, and I've got just a line, or a portion, I should say. It's not really a straight line at the front that I had twisted the night before with some leave-in and almond eye from Camille Rose. And yeah, I'm just unraveling them here and fluffing out the hair just so it blends really well with the first edition, if you may, of this wig. And I'm going to show you how to wear it as a half wig. I went ahead and fluffed out the wig just to bring out the kink out of the wig, but also to add volume for this first installation. And what I did is just apply a wig cap at the back there, place the wig over my hair, and secured with those pins, or the combs rather, on either side. Once that's done, I'm gonna start blending. But before we even get there, just look at that invisible hairline. Like, that is just, you don't even need to blend. If it was a full wig, like, yeah, there's no weft showing. And girl, just check that out. Check that out. Talk about wigs that match your texture. It's a new day. I say this in a lot of my videos, but no point wearing wigs that do not match your texture. It's just too much work. It exhausts me. It frustrates me. This wig works really, really well with my texture. I went ahead to apply a little bit more leave-in and water just to bring out the bulk of the hair, and yeah, shape it up a little bit, and you can now go ahead and just add accessories. This is probably the simplest, most straightforward way to wear this wig, like zero effort, literally. I just unraveled my twists and fluffed it out, I guess. By the way, I'm using this braid spray from Camille Rose. It's really nice. It's about to finish, so I thought go ahead and use it. But how cute! How cute is the style? Like, literally looks like the hair is growing out of my head, and I love it. What do you guys think? I'm going in with more product, braid spray, just to, help me shape the wig. You discover that water can do wonders. It will take you from one style, one look to the next. But the next style I'm going to show you is the ponytail. And what I love about this style is that you don't have to have your hair done. You don't have to add gel. You don't have to do your own hair, then put on the wig. Like, you want to keep it really simple. And I'm going to show you how it looks on my actual twist. I'm a busy mom, and I'm just using that drawstring to pop it on my bun, and I'm done. Like, literally. Of course, if you want a more pretty, more sleek look, you can go ahead and unravel your twists, brush it out, let the silk scarf, lay down the hair, etc. But I'm just wanting to show you here how easy, convenient, and relevant this wig is. Like, you actually don't need to do much for it to look nice, pretty, and most importantly, natural. It's something that actually looks like my own hair. Look how cute. The last style we're going to go for here is a headband wig. So this wig can actually be worn as a headband wig. And for this look, I just wanted to bring out the curl pattern a little bit more for you guys to see. And I'm going in again with that braid spray. So water can bring out the fluff and the, bulkiness and the afro, but it can also bring out the curl pattern. So for the bulk, you just want to shape it and kind of fluff it and pat it. But to bring out the curl pattern, you want to, just bear down and just, lightly detangle and run your fingers through the hair and check that out. You get your definition galore. You can use a mousse, you can use a leave-in, or even just water. Honestly, it's gonna do the trick. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put my hair in twists, let it dry, and then come back to style. And while I'm at it, I just wanted to reinforce that this wig is obviously no glue, low tension. It's beginner friendly and just ready to go straight out of the pack. I love that the color is natural. And by the way, if you wanted to give it a go, you can actually wear it as a full wig as well. So many options to try out, you guys. And of course, I've got a coupon code for you guys, Honor, to get a discount off this wig if you're interested. All the links will be in the description. I ended up removing the wig and twisting it well off my head, and used a blow dryer actually to go ahead and quicken the process of drying this wig. And can I tell you, I thought this would take me 30 minutes or somewhere there, but it actually dried quite quickly. So I was quite impressed about that. For this particular style, all of my hair is in a braid, and I am going ahead to just place the wig, unravel the twists, and fluff them out, and then we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, just check out that curl pattern. It's beautiful, it's rich, it's, what's the word, luxurious. There's something about texture that just excites me. Maybe it's just me, but girl, I love to see that texture come through. What do you guys think? When it comes to headband wigs, your options are endless when it comes to accessorizing your wig. You can just use regular headbands, you can use silk scarves, you can use regular scarves, like go get it, girl. But anyway, this is what I came up with. I ended up styling it in a nice kind of tucked in updo elegant style. Like I said, guys, the coupon is honor if you're interested in this wig to try it out. There's a discount for you guys as usual. I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, thanks to HerGivenHair. Ta-da!